How to download and install Minecraft on Android. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. Minecraft app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open Google Play Store on your device. After opening up, you need to tap on the search bar and search for Minecraft. And here you'll be able to see the list of apps of Minecraft, but you need to select the real one. So the fourth app of this list is the real one, so you have to simply tap on that. But for installing it on your device, you need to pay for it. The amount is $6.99. So if you want to download, you have to simply tap on display money. And from over here, you'll be able to see you can add your credit or debit card. So you can go for that and add your credit or debit card, and you can pay $6.99 and install the app on your device. By downloading it on your device, you'll be able to play the games from over here. So by following this simple step, you can download and install Minecraft on Android. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.